Hello friends, it's lunch time. Today we learn ABC with phonic sound. So let's get started. A apple, ambulance. B ball, bus. C car, cap. D doll, drum. Egg, elephant. F fish, fan. G glow, gun. H hen, hut. I insects, igloo. J jar, jam. K king, kite. L lid, lamp. M mango, moon. N nest, nose. O onion, octopus. P parrot, pigeon. Q queen, quail. R rat, rose. S sunflower. T tap, tank. U umbrella, uncle. V van, vest. W watch, wallet. X box, fox. Y yak, yacht. Z zebra, zoo. Subscribe for more knowledge. Bye.